say the early bird gon' get the worm. Feel like I'm stuck in line, waiting my turn. All of the L's I took are lessons I learned. Success, it gotta be earned. Tell me why they sleeping on me. 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 Tell me why they. Find me in the middle of the map, right in the center. I'm a saint right now, but we all born sinners.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Wheelie Jr. back at you again with another banger. Let's go. You know what it is. Check this out. This is real cool. It's an underground fire station, man. It's pretty cool, ain't it? Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, had to get some Wheelie action for y'all. After all, my name is Wheelie Jr. I do not have gear on currently, so we're not gonna be doing too wild. Going too wild, you know what I mean? You gotta ride somewhat conservative with no gear on. You should always ride conservative actually on the street, man. It's a street, you never know what'll happen. There could be antifreeze, oil, whatever, or birds, whatever. Squirrels, raccoons. Some crackhead walking down the street. Who knows what could happen, huh? 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 We're on our way to go get some food right now. I just got done doing some highway pulls with him earlier. That was pretty fun. Kill switched him on the go, baby. On the go. What do you know about that? Hey. How you like it? That little beep. I'm gonna give him the beans right here. Huh? You don't get low enough? You gotta get out there like that.
You gotta stick your foot out.
Put your foot out, I see. That counterweight with a broke hand. Ladies, yeah, if you know you bad, yeah, touch toes. Look at that. Damn, shawty, you could get it. Do it. Shake like a tambourine. If you know you bad, put your hands in the air, big booty Judy.
Papers and registration, please.
We racing?
Huh?
We racing? On green? Yeah? Let's get it. Let's get it, baby.
Just a heads up, me and him, neither one were ready for this race and didn't have enough time to get the bikes at the right RPMs that we wanted them at for this race, so there's that.
baby. Between them.
You do that 90%.
What?
90%.
Would you?
No, you.
Oh, was I? Oh, yeah. Ha!
I told you, I don't know how it works, bro.
You want to go over again? You want Roosters? Is that where we're going?
Right there?
Roosters? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. They're pretty quick normally. Now they all on me.
We're gonna have to trade bikes.
Why?
I want.
Oh, for weight. Alright.
No. Are you comfortable with me launching it?
Yeah. Yeah. I don't care.
Right here, bro. That's just sketchy. That bump.
No, not right here. I'm gonna do a wheelie off that bump though, I can tell you that.
I'm gonna just go and get over it.
Alright. I'm gonna aim that way. Good parking spot, my boy. Huh? I'm gonna need you to come back a little farther than that. I don't want them seeing all that damage when they walk by. So I'm gonna need you to come a little farther back than that. I don't want them seeing all that damage when they walk by. Never really made love, but it's gonna be alright.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. catch me howling at the moon.